Just when is the best time to change gear on a roundabout? For a new driver, roundabouts can be a bit intense, and once they've moved on to the roundabout, changing up a gear is sometimes a low priority and will drive round it in first, especially if they're worried that changing gear might affect their steering and position on the road. Changing up a gear is important if the engine is revving loudly and for more speed. It's also good for fuel economy. When moving off onto the roundabout, the easiest and best time to change up a gear is as soon as you've accelerated onto it, almost in a straight line, and before you start steering around the roundabout, as you need to keep the car in control. Let's do another roundabout. Accelerate on, change gear, then steer. Here's another one. Accelerate on, change gear, then steer. You have to check your mirrors and signal to exit a roundabout, so it's easier to change gear before you start that routine if you have time. It's not always safe to accelerate as much and change gear if it's a small roundabout, especially if you're driving around a mini roundabout. Watch this video next if you're unsure which lane to choose at roundabouts. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. Keep safe on the road, and bye for now.